Good morning, all 520 of you. Today's the day. It's 8 in the morning. The sun is high for now, but apparently the fog is coming in, and today we put the mast on again. Bear with us.
Today we are remasting the boat. It's very exciting because it's one of the last projects in this boat, and after we are ready to go. Yeah! We have a mast.
Have a mast.
Yay!
We are not a motor boat anymore. This is freaking important. This is 2 weeks. 2 weeks and we are on the water.
Yay!
Ciao, ciao Tony.
Big boy, stay where you are and keep us safe.
It's all new. So either keep us safe or gonna be peace. Good morning, all 570 something of you. Thank you very much. Today I want to show you one thing. One thing first. It is finally closed. All connections are done. The mast is up, and there is nothing else to do inside the boat. Fingers crossed. But for the moment, there's nothing else to do inside the boat. Everything works absolutely well. This is working again with the 2 voltimeters. The tanks, all of that is working, and also all the electronics are working now. So if I turn on the NEMEA 2000 network, the IIS, the radar, and the data hub, you will see that I can turn on my IIS and my SSB, and also I fixed the voltimeter. The problem I was having is that the problem I was having with the voltimeter from Victron was kind of my fault, but I was lost in translation and there was no good directions from Victron user manual. They say to attach to the smart shunt on the load only side of the shunt, to attach only exclusively one cable that goes to your loads. But apparently you need to also attach your charger and your solar chargers. So after a lot of forums, requests, customer care, customer support and everything else, nobody understood what the problem was. The guys from La Casa Electrónica just casually came by yesterday to see another thing, and Christian, I told him, I have this problem, I have been researching. He looked at me and said like, yeah, you need to connect the chargers to the load part, and that's all. That's all. It's all fixed now. So anyhow, here it is, the IES, perfectly working. I can see all of the targets and everything. SSB perfectly working. My VHF radio perfectly working. The Aqua computer connected. Data hub, well, is initializing, but yeah, it's working now. So we are done. Internally, we are done. And now I want to show you one thing. Again, one day I will tell you I'm gonna show you one thing, and outside we will have seas, but for now it's this. That's the blonde coming back from the from the bathroom, and this is what I have to show you. Do any of you guys know what this is? That's the vang, and what the vang does is control the up and down of the boom and give you control over the shape of the sail. So if you need to spill wind because it's too strong, you release it, and the boom will go up, and your the clue, I think it's called in English, the clue of your sail will do like this and will spill sound. None of you care about that, I understand that, but the reason I'm telling you this is because that's the last job to do, and we are done, and we can put the water on the water. I just need to install this guy here that goes there on the boom, and that's all. That's the last job. It's like there's nothing else to do. So yeah. that's how it's done. The bag is in place, so the only thing I need to do now is just route the control sheet, and we are done. And as I said, this is the last work. There's nothing else to do, so we are gonna be heading back home for the last time in order to say goodbye to the people we know. And from that moment we are, and I think by the 24th we are gonna put the 24th we are gonna put the boat on the water, and we're gonna start traveling.
Hi guys, another week has passed, and this week we re-mast the boat, and we have a new main and the drip installed and all the shit installed, and some of them new. So thank you for watching our video, and if you like what we're doing, please subscribe and give us like and comments. Bye!